I bought this Black & Decker jigsaw at Lowe's. You can see the specs there. 20 volt lithium ion. .2500 strokes per minute. Tool free. You can change the blade without a tool. And one of the reasons I got it is because of the price, under $50. And it included the battery and the charger. Now I have plenty of batteries and chargers because I have over 10 tools, but it's always nice to have an extra one. And I always charge them right after I've used them, so they're fully charged, and that's what I did with these to make sure it worked. Charged the battery, it came with it. It came with one blade for wood. And it took about under 4 hours, maybe 3.5 hours to charge. And there's the shoe of the jigsaw. You can easily move the shoe by using this wrench that came with it. Loosen the bolt, and then you can move the shoe forward. Select an angle if you want to use an angle cut, and then push it back, and then tighten that bolt. Okay. So here I'm just going through the motions. I'm not actually doing it, but okay. It goes up to about 45 degrees. And this is the first jigsaw I've owned. I have used one years ago, maybe 5 years. I was helping a neighbor on a project he was working on. Okay, so here I put it back to a straight cut, pushed it back, and then I'm just tightening the bolt. Anyway, the one that I used like about 5 or 6 years ago was a DeWalt. And he said he paid close to $200 for it. Okay, so here I'm going over how to insert the blade. There's a lever there, and you just lift it, and then insert it. And just pull on it to make sure it's okay, pull, it comes right out. Okay. Okay, little slot there for the tool. Then I'm going to insert the battery and do a couple of demo cuts. And the blade's about just under 4 inches, and then you have to insert it into the slot. So you probably have about a little over 3 inches of depth. So that's plenty for this type of wood, 2x4. And I do like the cut. Most of these types of cuts like this, I use my circular saw, but actually I like this particular cut from the jigsaw better. It's a little bit smoother, and of course the jigsaw is lighter than my circular saw, but most of the cuts that I do with my circular saw I can do with this. So as I was starting to say earlier, the only one I've used has been like 5-6 years ago, and that was a high-end tool, DeWalt. You're doing an angle cut. So $200 plus versus under $50. A few more dollars if you want to buy some more blades. But I'll settle for this. So these are the type of projects I'll be working on. It's fine. I'm not going to use it every day. So it should last for the projects I'll be working on. And I'm using the speed square here to hold the blade or the jigsaw straight. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.